challenges were really around some of our structural changes and the fact that with less senior leadership, we really needed people to work together much better, and this has created the platform to be able to do that. The programme has been brilliant because it's been a blended programme of classroom activities, outdoor activities, along with coaching, which has really supported the learning, and using our Lumina profiling, which has been really important for us. So I think it's worked really well.
It's been quite different to any programme I've ever done before. Really interactive, very engaging, and the alignment between our team come the end of it is really exciting.
I've worked for Bakkavor for many, many years, and I've known a lot of these guys for a long time, but I haven't properly got to know them, and I think this process has brought us together. We've built, a team now of general managers that we didn't have before. That gives us a great opportunity going forward to, really influence what's happening within Bakkavor.
The first thing that comes into my mind, I feel excited. I feel excited that we've been put on this programme for a reason, and therefore we have been given the permission, if you like, to influence and to be more involved. And I think just today shows us, by presenting back to the senior team, there is that engagement, there is that want for us to get involved and shape the business going forward. So yeah, I'm quite excited.
The key thing that I've been able to implement is building relationships and forging solid relationships with my peers, and also bringing alignment through those relationships. It's been absolutely key to me as takeouts.
The experience of partnering with Impact has been really positive. From the original pitch, which was really professional but really easygoing, to the opportunity to co-create, for you to come with best practice, but also for us to say, well, actually, I think this could work better. And I think it's been a really flexible approach without losing that real professional maturity. And actually, everybody that we've dealt with at Impact has had such a positive impact on us as a business.